Hey guys, I'm Jeremy Johnson. Welcome back to WeldTec Designs, and I have something super cool to show you today. And it's not van related at all, although I'm gonna have a lot of fun with this and hopefully get to some killer spots where I can use this in my van. So I wanna start off this video by asking you guys that are watching out there to please comment below on this video and let me know if you would like to see us here at WeldTec Designs showing you products like this, or if you would like us to show this on another YouTube channel like my own YouTube channel, because I know you guys love hearing me talk. Please comment below, let us know what you guys like. Do you guys want us to keep it strictly vans or other products that go along with the van? So we would love to hear what you have to say. But enough jibber jabbering about that. Dude, look at this, it says it right here. Dude, the awesome people at Isle hooked us up with this awesome paddleboard to put on our SEMA 2019 van. We're probably not gonna be able to use this at SEMA. Who knows, maybe we'll find a way, right? What I wanted to do is do an unboxing. Let's show you guys this thing, let's check it out, and I guarantee you that over the course of the next year, I'm gonna be having this thing out, I'm gonna throw the kids on it, and we're gonna have a good time. So, let's open it. Another box in the box. Come out. We're getting closer. I see it. I see it. Look at that. Surf, paddle, explore. That's what we're gonna do with this, for sure. Explore. Leash. Pump. Be able to pump this up. If you didn't get this, this is an inflatable. Repair things. And then this is the awesome part about this Isle stand-up paddleboard. It's an inflatable, and it comes in this amazing backpack. So before I even get into unboxing this, I want to see, let's check this thing out. Dude, forget, I'm going on an adventure alone. Wait, hold on. I bet there's even a spot for to hold this on there. Okay, first impression, before I even get to the paddleboard itself, this is super comfortable. Yes, it's heavy. Yes, I'm out of shape. Can I go hike up a mountain with it? Probably not. But I don't want to get up to the top of the mountain. I want to get down into something awesome. But if I go down into something awesome, I'm probably gonna have to get back out. But I will have to tell you, like, this is, you know, we'll check it. We're gonna throw it on the scale, see how much it actually weighs. But it's comfortable, I will 100%. Now, I'm not a backpacking expert, but good, I like it. Let's see how much it weighs. So 29 pounds, it's not crazy heavy. Like I said, I'm just fat, not a shape. But that's rad, I like this. I like the bag, I like everything about it. I'm sure the paddle can go, oh yeah, totally, paddle goes in on the side of it, and then could probably even strap the pump to this. Of course, you know me, I'm just winging it. I haven't even read the directions yet. That's like the last thing we do. I just get excited, I'm like a kid, I just want to open everything. All right, so let's open this thing up, let's check it out. All right, there she is. We're not gonna use the knife on this one. We don't want to cut a hole in it. All right, so now what we're gonna do is we're gonna go ahead and peel the plastic off this. We're gonna take out, so it's gonna come with a pump, which is awesome. You know, another thing that would be really cool is we will have to try it out. We just did the ARB compressor with a pump up kit on our Chevy Express van. So next time we pump this thing up, we will have to try using that onboard air that we have now on the van to pump this up. And that's something that's really cool about having the onboard air, is say if you don't want to pump it up, you'd be able to use that. This is cool though, and you can see like that it has a gauge on the top of it so that you know that if you're getting too crazy and pumping it up too much. This also came with this, and once again, this is the Explorer board. So this is a 12-foot board. Let's pump it up. All right guys, so this is how we're gonna pump this thing up. This is the fill back here in the back. So we can pop this off, and then this is the hose that's also gonna come with it. That is then going to click into there, and then it's going to screw on to your pump. And now it's time to just get crazy. Well, that took about 8 minutes to fill up, and what I realized during that, well, not that only did I get an awesome tricep workout, I am fat and out of shape. I need to hit the gym again, back like in the old days, you know, because that kicked my butt. Of course, I was trying to fill it up as fast as I could, but now that it is full, I wish I had water. I'm gonna go find a pool or something, you know, but here, let's put this paddle here. We don't want our shoes on it. All right, so let's take this paddle. It's like carbon fiber, super rad. Ooh, I like that. I feel like in all the videos, I just take my shoes off, get comfortable, you know? Like, just chilling. All right. So that's gonna slide in really nice there. And then what's cool about this is it's gonna also tell you how tall you are. Well, not how tall you are, but how tall you're gonna want this. Except it doesn't go to 6'8". I'm like 6'8". So I'm gonna go ahead and loosen this up. And now you wanna check that, make sure that it does snug tight. It still slides, yeah, that's nice. Okay, back to the paddleboard. I need to find some water. Okay, but really, super awesome. Totally dig this. I really want to go out and use it. So now what's cool is, ooh, I got something else. Hold on. We got this awesome Warren recovery pack. Dude, look at this. I could like shove this in here. Now we're going. Now that's a winch recovery pack. We don't have a winch on here. We're probably not gonna use it. But it still shows you how cool it is that you could put your gear on the front of this and hold it down. It's also got another spot on the back of it here in order to hold your gear down. And it looks like you could even put an additional one here, or you could use this to hold your paddle when you go dive in. Now, one other thing that we didn't show you was the leash system, in which you can put on the back of this now. All right guys, so next we are gonna put the leash on this thing, and I'm sure it comes with the directions. So that way, just in case you get lost, you can know how to do that. Boom, we're gonna slide that through there. Then we're just gonna take this thing. Boom, boom. Look at that. Now it can never get away from me. I love it. I love it. All right, guys, so that's it on the unboxing. Now it's time to take this aisle paddleboard to find some water, to find some adventures. But just want to give you, first of all, our overall, you know, first peek at this thing, how rad it is. Good, later, guys. I'm out of here. I need my shoes. I need to put my shoes on before I take off. All right. We need to find water. We're out of here. We're done unboxing. Let's go find some water.